Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish on these higher time frames. I still personally think we're either going to go up and make a running flat wave C, which would likely go to one of these higher fib extensions, or possibly an expanding flat wave C, which would likely go to the 161, 178. Either way, it should lead to a pretty big uptrend eventually on the shorter time frames. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely am still looking at this as possibly a wave 1 right here. I still think there is a chance this is already a wave 2. I definitely do have an alternative count that would have it going down and taking out this low right here. But I still think even if it does do that, it would make a higher high and still be a wave 2, and hopefully go back up for a big old wave 3. So either way, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, so far price is definitely respecting the 78%. We do not have a break of structure to the upside yet. If and when it does break structure to the upside, it should prove that this is the end of a wave 2 of wave C. And if that's the end of a wave 2 of wave C, then potentially this would turn into a big giant uptrend. Now we do have to be very cautious about calling this the end of a trend until we have a break of structure, because until we have that break of structure, it's always a chance it could make a lower high. There's always a chance that it could go down and possibly even take out these previous lows. So taking it down even more to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do see the possibility that this could be an A, this could be a B, and this could be a wave C of a downtrend. Potentially, it could go up to, the 50% or even the 61.8, probably more likely to 50 if it does do this, and then make it a pulse it down, make a break of structure, and end up continuing the downtrend from there. So either way, I do think the trend is still up on the 4 hour time frame. Either way, whether it's a wave C or wave 3, it should still continue up. If it breaks and holds above this structure really well, then it hopefully will confirm wave 3. If it rejects this structure or goes up to the 61.8 and breaks structure down there, then that would help confirm that it really is a wave C and not a wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, kind of looks like it's already got the end of a correction on the 1 hour. It looks like it pulsed it down. It looks like 1, 2, 3 up. It looks like it pulsed it down. 3 waves down, impulsive up. It looks like the end of a correction. May just end up being a wave 5 of a wave C, possibly. 1, 2, 3. Maybe now it's just going to go back up to the 50%, make a wave 5. Then if it turns down at the 50%, breaks structure to the downside, that would tell me that potentially this is the end of a wave C, and if this really is the end of a wave C and you get a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure, then you definitely want to get out of any longs that you may be in and start going short for the continuation of the downtrend. I would be a little bit cautious about going short like that. I would have to see a nice break of structure like this, because there's always a chance that this is not even a wave C, it's a wave 3. If it's a wave 3, then potentially it'll go beyond that, break this structure, which I think will help confirm the wave C on the 4 hour and daily, and confirm that we are back into an uptrend, which we definitely do not have confirmation of uptrend yet. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.